Hi everyone, Don Genova here with another Foodie Friday for Russell Books. Couple of cookbooks for you this week. Not my kitchen, but these cookbooks are still good. Okay, the first one is from my ancestral homeland of Sicily. It's called the Sicily Cookbook by Cettina Vicenzino. And this one has some really simple vegetable recipes in it that I really like. So I made two of them. One, you don't even have to cook. It's a raw zucchini salad. And what you do with the zucchini is slice it really thin. Just put some salt with it and a little bit of lemon juice and rinse it out, put it on top of a plate just in a beautiful pattern, top it with some mint or some basil and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and it doesn't even taste like raw zucchini anymore. The second one I made from here is a braised broccoli. I used to think that Italians cook their vegetables too much. We're kind of used to, crisp vegetables here, even in a stir fry. But in the Italian case, they're always braising them in something great. So this broccoli gets braised in with sun-dried tomatoes and oil, some anchovy fillets, some black olives, some chili flakes, some white wine vinegar, some dry red wine, and a little bit of pecorino cheese on top. It doesn't look spectacular, but boy, does it taste really good. So that was the Sicily Cookbook. Can't get it any more simple than that. Oh wait, there's another book called Pure Simple Cooking. This is by another favorite UK cookbook author of mine. Her name is Diana Henry, and the flavors throughout this book are fantastic. I want to make a lot more recipes from here, but the one I did make is called Turkish Chicken with Oranges and Warm Spices. Now, the thing about the oranges is you leave them with the rinds on. You cut them up. They need to be thin-skinned, so I used a couple of these beautiful little tangerines. That was perfect, and the skins get so tender in there, you can eat the whole part. This is a chicken thigh dish, red onions, garlic, fresh chili, and by the time it all simmers together, you really love it. So that's Pure Simple Cooking, Effortless Food Every Day from Diana Henry. Both of these books available at great prices from Russell Books, russellbooks.com, or head downtown to the store right in beautiful downtown Victoria on Fort Street. I'm Don Genova for Foodie Friday, and we'll see you next time.